everyone, now I am going to start 6th part of number 4. In this part we have 9604, in which 4 is there at ones place, which is even number. So that means this can be divisible by 2. So 9604. So 2 4s are 8, 1, 2 8s are 16, 0, 2 2s are 4. Again last digit is 2, so it will be divisible by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 0, 2 1s are 2. So here this cannot be further divisible by 2. Why? Because last digit is 1. Now at first we'll check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. Now if you find the sum of the digit, 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. That means it cannot be divisible by 3. Now we will take by 7. 7 3s are 21, 3, 4 7s are 28, 2 7 3s are 21. That means it will be divisible by 7. So 7 3s are 21, 4 minus 1 is 3, then 4 7s are, and then 0 will come, so 4 7s are 28, 2 7 3s are 21. Okay, so we have 3 4 3. Now we will take again 7 if it is divisible by 7. 4 7s are 28 and then 6 will come. 7 9s are 63. So again it will be divisible by 7. So 4 7s are 28, 6, 7 9s are 63. Now again 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7. So the square root of 9604 will be, how many 2 we have got? We have got 2 2 and 4 7. So 1 2 3 4. Now we will make a pair of this. So from 2 2 we will take 1, from 2 7 we will take 1, and from 2 7 we will take 1. So 7 7s are 49, 49 into 2 is 98. Okay. Now in the 7th part we have 5929. So it is clearly seen that it cannot be divisible by 2. Now we'll check by 3. Okay. So here 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus 9 is 20, 20 plus 5 is 25, which cannot be divisible by 3. Now we will take 7 here. So 5929. If you take 7, then 7 8s are 56, 3 will come, then 7 4s are 28, 4 will come, 7 7s are 49. Okay. Now 7 12s are 84, 7 1s are 7. Then we'll check by 11, 11 11s are 121. So the square root of 5929 is 7 into 7 into 11 into 11. Okay. So if you take here 11, 11 ones are 11. Okay. Now, so from 2 7 we will take 1 7, and from 2 11 we will take 1 11. So the square root of 5929 will be 77. Okay. Now in the next part we have 9216, in which 6 is there at ones place, which is an even number. So here it can be divisible by 2. So 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12, then 0, 2 8s are 16. Then again by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 0, 2 4s are 8. Again last digit is even number, so it will be divisible by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. Next, again it will be divisible by 2, 2 5s are 10, then 7 2s are 14, 1, 2 6 are 12. Again it will be divisible by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. 2 36 are 72. 2 18s are 36. 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9. And 3 1s are 3. So the square root of 9216 will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. We have 10 2s. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and we have 2 3. So 1 2. Okay. Now from this pair we will take 1, from this we will take 1, from this pair we will take 1, From this pair we'll take 1, from this we'll take 1, and from this we will take 1. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 18, 18 2s are 62, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 3s are 32 3s are 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So 96. So the square root of 9216 will be 96. Now in the next part we have 529. So here since 9 is there at ones place, so it cannot be divisible by 2. Now if you find the sum of the digits, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 9 is 16, which is also not divisible by 3. And if you check by 7, 7 sevens are 49, then 39 also will not be divisible by 7. So in this case, what will you do? Since the last digit is 9, and as you know that ones digit, how we find the ones digit of the square root? If the last digit is 9, then the ones digit of the square root of this number will be either 3, because 3 3s are 9, or it can be 7, because 7 sevens are 49. So only in these two cases we are getting 9 at ones place. So that means we will check by 13 at first. So 13 13s are 169. Okay, so and here we need 529. So instead of taking 3 at ones place, instead of taking 3 at ones place, we will have to take 3 at ones place, but instead of taking 1, we will take 23 now. We will take 2 in place of 1 now, and then we will check, because last digit should be 3 or 7. Okay, so this will remain same. Now 23 by 23. So 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Now 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So 9, 6 plus 6 is 12, 4 plus 1 is 5. So we have got 529. So that means 23 23s are 529. So we'll write 23 multiplied by 23, and then 23 ones are 23. So the square root of 529 will be 23 multiplied by 23. So from the pair we'll take 1. So the square root of 529 will be 23. Okay. Now coming to last part. The last part we have 8100. Now we know that if zeros are there at the end at ones place, we can say that it is divisible by 2. So 2 4s are 8, then 0, 2 5s are 10, then 0. Again it will be divisible by 2, 2 2s are 4, 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. And if the last digit is 5, then it will be divisible by 5. So 5 4s are 20, then 0, 5 5s are 25. Then again by 5, 5 8s are 40, 5 1s are 5. Okay. Now here this 8 plus 1 is 9. So that means 9 comes in 3's table. So it will be divisible by 3. So 3 27s are 81. Again 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So here the square root of 8100 will be, how many 2's we have got? 2 2's. Then we have got 2 5. Okay, so 5 into 5, and then we have got 4 3's. So 1 2 3. Then we have got 4 3's. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, now make a pair of this. So from these two will take 1, from these two will take 1, from these two will take 1, and from these two will take 1. So 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30, 30 3s are 90. So the square root of 8100 will be 90. Okay, so this is all about question number 4. Okay, thank you students.